Secure the bag, yeah, that's the brand, and we get to the bag.
Yo, what's going on, family? It's your man Tay Sweat here once again with another STB Market Watch. Now, I'm going to be on the road here over the next, literally in and out over the next maybe, I don't know, 2 months. So I just want to let everyone know that, production may be a little, as good as we can get it. Let's just say that because we're going to be on the road. But I still want to come in. I still want to get as many of these done in between, traveling. We're closing in on a real estate. We have an actual uh, property, investment property that we're closing on. So all this stuff is going to be, taking a toll on us in addition to still, keeping up with the baby boy and making sure he's good. So, but I just want to come in and just, give some love, show what's going on. Thank God for my team, my STB team inside of the STB Discord. Been calling some bangers. Literally for the month, I've been tracking all of our alerts. That way, if anybody comes to me and says, Tay, what's going on in the Discord? I personally know, hey, here's the track record. Why are you losing? Because if Brian calls something out, if Eon calls something out, I'm recording it and then I take the trade as well. And then what I'll do is I write everything down. And if it was a winner, I'll mark it a winner. If it was a loser, I'll mark it a loser. So over the last 2 weeks, we've had 100% winners. So if you are taking the trades that they are calling in the Discord, in the paid Discord, you should be net winning. Okay. So nonetheless, and this is why this is why I want to pay those guys really well. And why we have to charge for, the Discord. I know a lot of people nowadays think everything should be free, but people want to be paid for their talents. All right. So I have to pay those guys for their talents. Nonetheless, let's look at what we have going on today. Market is about to open in about 3 minutes. Yes. We're on the 4 hour. Let's go to the hour chart. So we are looking like it's going to be a pretty down day today, which makes sense. We had some head and shoulder action pretty much all through this thing. We had it here. We had a few here. And also it looks like we're playing out this. Keep in mind, this is kind of like a guidance for us, right? I like to see my EMA, see what it's doing. So this looked like, 1, 2, 3 up. This could have been 4 and a continued up 5 and fell short. Or, or, or I will say this, or this could be actually a wave 4. And we know corrective waves move in ABC. So this could be A, B, C down, right? Because it's a corrective wave. And then we could eventually get A. And I think we're going to bounce somewhere in this area, right? So I think we'll come down a little bit more. Maybe here. So maybe here or here, one of these areas. And then I think we'll start bouncing. So we'll get here. And then I think we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of here. That's what I'm going to be looking for. And there's a few reasons why. This right here, or excuse me, this overall structure, once again, still looks to need to be completed. I don't think, this is me just saying this, I don't think that this like ends it, because this looks like a wave 3. This is a wave 4, and I don't think that they're gonna just fizzle out a wave 5. I think this is the complete full wave 4. And the reason why I say that is because if we look at, so we'll take that out, and then we look at from the bottom of wave 2 to wave 3, it's customary to come back 50% and as low as about 68, or excuse me, 61. So what I'd be looking for is maybe, like I said, maybe a move as low as here, but I do think we're going to bounce in this area. I've got a few buyers right there. So there it is. So we're in the money. And there it is. Market is open. And of course, we're running. We got a lot of numbers going. I think we're going to fall. Yeah, I definitely think we got a little bit more to test in this area, excuse me. But nonetheless, like I said, I think we're going to be waiting. We need to be waiting to see if this area is going to hold. And then maybe next somewhere in this area to hold. But right now, this looks very strong. So if it doesn't wick up, we still got an hour ish for this to close, or excuse me, 30 minutes, half an hour for this to close. So if this doesn't wick and it continues to leak, creating this gap here, Yeah, it's gonna fall some more. So everything's looking good on our end because, of course, we're inputs. So shout out to the team, Brian. Shout out to Eon. Shout out to, I mean, even myself. I'm in there giving alerts. So, we do what we do. We make money and we go from there. So, definitely gonna be looking to see how this thing plays out. If we leak past 44, or if we get down to 44-24, I would consider this pretty much invalid and will probably fall even lower. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see how this thing plays out. But nonetheless, this is what I'm seeing, and it's looking like it's a pretty red day. So y'all be safe out there. For my people who are in STB, and STB Discord, either one, y'all keep doing your thing. Other than that, yeah, I'm gonna finish out this traveling journey, right? Hanging out with the family, and I'll be coming in and giving as much, just what I see in the market as possible. Okay. So I'll talk to you all soon. Don't forget to comment, like, share all of my shit. You know how I do, right? Show some love. I'm over here giving love, right? I'm giving it out as much as I can in between taking care of my son and handling business. Share some love, baby. Keep me motivated. All right. I'll talk to you soon. Peace.
Secure the bag, yeah, that's the brand, and we get to the bag. These products